This 2024 Grand Design Solitude 382WB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 6, microwave, TV, awning, spare tire kit, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, slide-out, LP detector, stovetop burner, air conditioning, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Solitude 382WB is 14,866 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.